Welcome to Cygzen ERP. In this video, you will learn how to create purchase and sales returns. Purchase return refers to returning goods to a supplier after purchase. This can happen for various reasons, such as defective products, incorrect quantities, or non-compliance with purchase order specifications. Sales return involves the process of customers returning goods that were previously sold. This can occur due to damaged goods, incorrect items, or dissatisfaction with the product. We will be creating a sales return. Go to Sales Invoice List by searching Sales Invoice List in the Awesome bar. Click on Add Sales Invoice. Set the series name. Set the customer name. Now go to the Items section and set the item, quantity, rate, and amount. Click on Save and then click on Submit. Now, go to the Create button and click on Delivery Note. Click on Save and then click on Submit. Now, go to the Create button and click on Sales Return. Click on Save and then click on Submit. After this, you will go to the sales invoice that you have made in the beginning. Select that sales invoice. Now, go to the Create button and click on Return Credit Note. Set the series name. Click on Save and then click on Submit. Now, go to the View button and click on Accounting Ledger. Now, go to the Delivery Note again. You will see that the sales order will be linked to the return. Now, go to the View button and click on Stock Ledger. Now, we are going to create purchase return. Now, go to the Purchase Receipt List by searching Purchase Receipt List in the Awesome bar. Click on Add Purchase Receipt. Set the supplier name. Now, go to the Items section and set the item code, accepted quantity, rejected quantity, rate and amount. Click on Save and then click on Submit. Now, you will go to the Create button and click on Purchase Return. Click on Save and then click on Submit. Now, go to the View button and follow the same process for Stock Ledger and Accounting Ledger. Congratulations, you have completed the purchase return and sales return.